Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Jen here. Today I am bringing you guys along as I clean up my house. It's an absolute wreck. It was well worth it. We had an amazing Christmas. The kids had an awesome day, and that's what it's all about. I hope you guys also had an amazing Christmas with your loved ones, and hopefully this video will give you guys some motivation to tackle some of those Christmas messes that are in your home. I just couldn't mess with cleaning last night. I clean all the time. It was going to be there regardless, and I just wanted to spend time with the family. We played Monopoly last night for hours and just laughed till we cried. We had an absolutely awesome time. So I saved all the cleaning fun for this morning, and I wanted to bring you guys along, so hopefully you get some motivation also. And if you're not subscribed, definitely subscribe, because I'll have a ton of cleaning, decluttering, and purging videos coming up at the beginning of the year. So stick around for those, and let's go ahead and tackle this mess. I'll start just by showing you the mess. I have got to clean the sheets. I didn't even make my bed this morning because why bother? I'm going to wash the sheets. These are all presents that are around, and this is where the real mess starts. We just have stuff, candy, stockings, fillers, toys galore. Did you have a good Christmas yesterday, buddy?
Great.
You got a ton of goodies. We got to go through all your clothes and Legos and stocking stuff everywhere. Just stuff.
My monster truck I got.
Stuff everywhere. Where is your monster truck you got?
Right there. Mommy, come over here.
Oh no, I saw it. We already took out half the wrapping paper and boxes, but we still have a couple bags here. It's actually not too bad. I picked up in here a little bit so we could play Monopoly on the floor last night. But these toys from this little mister we have to go through and organize, clean up this mess. Does anybody else's house look like this after Christmas?
Maybe.
Maybe. All right, and here I'm just starting by taking all the sheets and pillowcases off of my bed so I can get them into the washer. And then I will just pick up a few things in my room, and then I'll move out to the dining room and living room. This video actually ended up not being a full cleaning video, because you'll notice as it goes through the video that my little one was following beside me and stuff. He was dying to get outside and play with his new Christmas toys, so I actually didn't finish the floors and all of that. I cut it short so that I could go out and play with him. But I'll just play music for the rest of the video, and I hope you guys enjoy.
Echoes of your words crashing into me, drown me in your lies, and there's no way to breathe. And my walls will keep you down. I am safe without the sound of you around. It's getting colder, and I'm the storm that's taking over. I see the light inside you, brighter than the skies. Hold on, just let us escape and fly away tonight. We have the world in our sight, and I know together we'll be alright. Can you see forever we will go?
All right, guys, and that does it for this cleaning video. As you can see there, my little one's right beside me, very eager to get out and play. So I'm gonna wrap this up, and I hope you guys enjoyed, and give it a thumbs up if you did, and subscribe so you don't miss any future videos. And I will catch y'all in the next one. Bye.